Okay, sorry about that. It took me a minute to figure out how to open the balcony door, but it wasn't a big deal. So I'm walking here now on the balcony. The balcony is rather large. So this could fit two easily, three chairs. And wow, look at these views. So this is really fantastic. These views are phenomenal. So right down there is the American Airlines Center. And then if you like going to movies, you're right across the street from a luxury cinema, Cinepolis. And then look at all this fun things you can do just in walking distance. This is just a vibrant, beautiful area. I love all the trees. So this is right outside your balcony. There's Chipotle, Starbucks, all that stuff just right down there. And this whole row here is just a ton. It's Victory Park. So this is where the Victory Park is where most of the restaurants and nightclubs and shops are. So the location check plus plus. This is just great. All right, so let's go back inside. And we're now going to go into the bedroom. And yeah, this is very big. That's striking me again about just this whole area. Very generous space, very big. So you've got good tall ceilings too. And so this is at least 10, maybe 11. It's really, really tall in here. There's plenty of room. If you see here, there's kind of an inset, so you could put put the bed there if you wanted to, or easily put the bed over here as well. But you could put a dresser over here. There's I guess it might make more sense to put a TV or the dresser over here, because there's where you could do cable or internet. So a lot of room. No shortage at all on the room. And then I love that you can see out to the balcony too. Okay, we're going to walk into the bathroom, and I like it. It's got dual sinks, so that already is huge. Dual sinks is great. It does have a black granite countertop. It's got pretty lights. And lots of cabinet space. Are y'all seeing that? Just a lot of space. And then it does have a nice walk-in shower. And then it's got a tub here. So this is good. I like this. And again, just that you see the width of this. It's just, I'm not feeling cramped in any way. And I will say that sometimes some of the floor plans that I see and work with, I'll just feel a little cramped inside, but not this one. Oh, same thing. I'm walking inside of this great closet, and it's almost like another mini room. I mean, there's all kinds of shelving here, and then, wow, oh my goodness, shelf. This is more than some master bedrooms in some houses. It really is. This is a ton of storage and space. So check plus on the closet. So now we're going to go walk out and just kind of walk back through here. So that was the bathroom. This is the bedroom and what it looks like. Plenty of space. You could easily put a king in here. You could almost put two kings in here. I'm not joking. And then we would walk back into here, and you could see this. You've got over here the just great amount of space. You're going to be spoiled with space here for sure. And then the balcony is over there. And then finally the kitchen area. Over here, a good amount of space. You could put some bar stools there, and that's all good. And then again, finally the study that's here, and it would be a study because for it to be you could use it for a guest bedroom, absolutely. So I'd say this is definitely usable for that. For a full-time bedroom, I would say that's more of a no. So this would be either a study or a guest bedroom, a temp bedroom. And then, of course, the bathroom. So great model, huge amount of space, and the price is very good for this, by the way. Okay,